Hey everybody, it is Hunter, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. This morning I did hit a little milestone for my YouTube channel, the 700 subscribers mark, so I thank you all very much. Apparently I'm doing something alright, or at least I tricked 700 of you into clicking a button one time. So if you are watching this and you do like the videos, or you're just a kind person, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more content. But today we have something that'll help my channel along. It is a very popular unit and for very good reason. It is the 2021 Arctic Wolf 3550 Suite. Comes in at under 40,000. It actually comes in at under 36,000. It is 35.3, 35.5, dual 15K ACs, so you can chill yourself out of the camper if you choose. And there is storage everywhere, as you saw right there, the pantry. I can nearly reach my arm all the way back. That is how much space you have. A couple drawers here. Who doesn't need drawers? If you're in my house, that's getting filled up with junk in no time. Everything that you don't want, but everything you will keep will go in there. And the industry is moving towards these Furrion. It is a 12-volt refrigerator, so you do not need propane when you're going through tunnels or anything like that. You don't have to do any extra work, guys. It's nice to have. It runs off the batteries. I would suggest getting yourself an extra battery to give yourself that extra juice. Doesn't get much better. 3-burner stove. Look at that accent lighting. This thing is beautiful. They just add in some extra touch. I don't know how in the world they're selling this thing for under 36,000, but I'm glad they are because it is making me a ton of money and a lot of happy campers out there. Extra storage everywhere. Once again, they snuck it under the island. Stainless steel sink. Just doesn't get any better. It looks really nice. The black is a great touch. Freestanding table and chairs. Big fan of those. Play some cards. Just move around, have dinner in general. And right here, you have a decent sized TV. It could be a little bigger, but the sacrifice of the TV is well worth the storage that you get. Check this out right here. If I was about 4'3", I could sleep in there. Can't even reach the end. It's crazy. It honestly is, and that's because that outdoor kitchen there, they decided to raise that slide-up space there, put it above the outdoor kitchen where you get all that storage, a pull-out couch for all those neighbors that you wish didn't come with you, but you stick them on the couch because you're a nice person. Recliners to enjoy that TV and that fireplace. You sit back and relax. And as you'll see right here, bam, heated seats, vibrate. It's the best camper to go into, one of the best campers to go into on my break. There is many a times that I've snoozed in chairs just like that, and I'll tell you, it does not disappoint, so you will enjoy camping without a doubt. But now we're heading on up. We're going into the bedroom. And again, when I say storage, I mean this camper has storage. You have a big closet. Walk in if you're short. If not, you're reaching like I am. But I'll tell you what, you got space to put everything. Shoes and stuff right in there. Anything nasty. All the hang-ins that you could want. The bed right here, it lifts up. I don't know why the industry's going away from this, but the bed actually holds itself up and it nearly encompasses the entire underside of the bed to put whatever you need there. I don't know why they seem to be getting rid of that underbed storage, but man, they are shrinking. Let me tell you guys, having that is a luxury at this point. Another closet, another area to hang stuff, another area to put stuff. It is awesome. And right here, a mini dresser, 2 pull-outs, some shelves over there, put a little DVD player, do what you got to do, socks, boxers, all that good stuff. You know what goes there. I don't need to tell you. And a place for a TV. You got all your cable hookups up on the roof. And this bathroom. The shower is it is big and square. You can actually turn around, wash your body, and, sing around while twisting and moving. More storage that you can reach to the end on. A decent sized sink. It is a little cramped there. The door does back up against that. And that part I do not like. That's probably the drawback of the camper. But if that's what you're sacrificing to only drop 36 grand on something this nice and this size, I will gladly take it any day of the week. But just check out how nice all these accent lightings look. I mean, it's a great looking camper. It truly is. And if this is where you guys are heading out, please make sure to like and subscribe before you do. If you have any suggestions to make these videos better, please drop a comment and let me know. But for those sticking around the outside, thank you. This big double door outdoor refrigerator, don't know how they do it, but you can put 6 packs, 12 packs, 24 packs of your apple juice for your camping needs. We all know how much our campers enjoy that. Back to storage. Check this out. Absolutely massive, freakishly massive, honestly. I don't see this too often. It honestly blows my mind. Right there, you can hook up a little solar panel if you want. And on the other side of this outdoor storage, before this video ends, I'll show you the controls for the auto leveling, where you hook up your city water, all that good stuff. You all have a wonderful day. I appreciate you watching. Once again, 700 subscribers. You all rock. Take it easy and happy camping, guys. See ya.